What's up? Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to get some clay. Simple as that, you know? So, I just came down. Alright. Alright, what's up guys? So today I'm here down at the river and I'm going to show you how to get some clay. It's pretty simple. You just go down to whatever local river you're at, maybe a stream, maybe a lake, who knows. And what you're going to do is you're just... Oh my, you didn't even start it.
Good. The partners.
Yeah, but I could have cut it.
Alright.
Alright.
I got it.
You can't even start it.
It is started.
Yeah. Alright, what's up guys? So, today I'm going to show you how to find clay, where to go, and just some general practices of how to get them. Alright, so what you want to do is just go down to a local river, local stream, probably even a lake too, and anywhere where there's really water at. And what you're looking for here is stuff like this. If you push down onto it, it doesn't like crumble away. It gets smooth like that. So all of this is a good sign that it is clay. And you can break it off into pieces. Look at that. That's clay-like. Forms into a little ball whenever you squeeze it. It's very clayish. So all I'm gonna do is grab a little hand shovel and just put it in a bag for right now, and then I'll process it later. I have a video on that if y'all want to subscribe to my channel and watch that. Yeah, just collect some. We'll make some pottery with it later. And I'll look at I'll look for some I'll try and find some other places around here too. There's, you know, sometimes it might be on the bank, sometimes it might be more like almost like a dried out puddle. So I'll try and find some different examples, stuff you can find. All right, you can go ahead and cut it off. Oh, look at all that fresh, juicy clay, bro. Right for the picking. Just got done taking out a lot of the clumps in this. Look at how thick this has gotten. Nice clay slurry. I'm gonna sift this out. Get a lot of the rocks and a lot of the organic stuff out. Let it dry. We'll see what we got.